Welcome to the Tony GV Daily Log, your front row seat to the new frontier of entrepreneurship. We are on a mission to empower solo entrepreneurs to create wealth like never before, forging a path where none existed. In this journey, every solo entrepreneur is a pioneer, shaping the future of education, business, and innovation. We are awakening millions of solo entrepreneurs, and you are one of them. Armed with advanced technology, we're unlocking the superhuman potential inside each one of us, and this is just the beginning. We are on a mission to create individual wealth that will fuel global wealth creation like never before. This is wealth terraforming. This is the future. Let's begin. The story of the grain of rice, a lesson in exponential growth. Once upon a time, in an ancient kingdom, a humble chess player approached the king with a bold request. He asked to be rewarded for his wisdom with a single grain of rice placed on the first square of a chessboard. The catch? For each subsequent square, the amount of rice would double. The king, intrigued by the simple yet peculiar request, agreed. But as the chessboard filled with grains of rice, something extraordinary happened. By the time they reached the last square, square 64, the amount of rice was unimaginable. It was enough to cover the entire kingdom, a massive wealth beyond comprehension. This story demonstrates the power of compounding, of how small, consistent efforts can grow exponentially over time, reaching incredible results. What might seem like an insignificant starting point, just one grain of rice, becomes a fortune when compounded. Introducing AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation. Just like the grain of rice that doubles with each step, your entrepreneurial journey can grow exponentially through consistent action and the right tools. That's where AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation comes in. This is not just a book. This is your blueprint for accelerated wealth creation, designed to help you compound your efforts, leveraging AI, Web3 technologies, and digital partners to scale your solo business faster than ever before. The AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation offers step-by-step strategies, tools, and real-time insights that will guide you through the 5 key pillars of building your entrepreneurial empire. Start. 1. Wealth terraformings. Building wealth isn't just about making money. It's about creating lasting impact, transforming not only your financial situation, but the environment and the world around you. By combining a growth-focused mindset, resource management, and strategic partnerships, solo entrepreneurs can terraform their wealth. The AI Solo Rider will help you understand the process of wealth creation from foundation to expansion, ensuring your resources grow steadily over time. Step 2. Content strategy for consistency. Consistency is the backbone of any successful content strategy. It's not just about publishing content, but creating a regular, reliable rhythm that speaks to your audience and adds value. Whether through blogs, social media posts, videos, or podcasts, consistently showing up builds trust and engagement. AI Solo Rider Wealth Creations provides actionable steps for building a content plan that resonates, ensuring your presence remains strong and your community engaged over time. 3. Community engagement. Building a thriving community around your entrepreneurial mission is crucial. It's about creating meaningful conversations, nurturing relationships, and encouraging feedback that helps you refine and expand your offerings. Whether it's on social media, in forums, or via direct interactions, the strength of your community can propel your business forward. AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation teaches you how to create these deep connections, build loyal followers, and generate engagement that turns into long-term success. Scaling the message. Once you've built a foundation and established a voice, the next step is scaling your message. Extending your reach across multiple platforms allows you to amplify your impact and attract new followers. By staying consistent and true to your brand, you can successfully replicate your efforts across digital channels. AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation shows you how to scale your message, ensuring that every action you take reaches a larger audience, creating even more opportunities for growth. 5. Tracking and analytics. Success in today's entrepreneurial landscape is data-driven. Tracking your performance, understanding engagement metrics, and adjusting your strategy accordingly is key to staying ahead. The more you understand your audience and how they interact with your content, the better you can optimize your efforts. AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation offers guidance on leveraging analytics tools, enabling you to refine your strategies and continually improve, just like how small decisions compound to create immense wealth. The exponential growth potential. The beauty of compounding in today's world isn't just about doubling small efforts over time. It's about leveraging the incredible tools we have at our disposal. With AI, Web3 technologies, and digital partners, your growth is no longer limited by the speed of human effort alone. You're amplifying your results 100x through the power of technology, scaling faster and smarter than ever before. Just like the chess player's grains of rice, your efforts in this entrepreneurial journey can accumulate, grow, and create wealth at an unprecedented scale. And the AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation will guide you through every step of that journey. Your wealth creation journey starts here. The AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation is more than just a resource. It's your companion for the wealth creation journey. Whether you're just starting out or already scaling your business, this book is designed to empower you to create wealth like never before. Start with the first grain of rice, take consistent steps, and watch as your business grows beyond your expectations.
Point number 1, testing and feedback loops. The foundation of success in the world of solo entrepreneurship lies in one core principle: testing. At the very beginning of any venture, especially one that aims to disrupt the world, you have to accept that there's a lot of trial and error involved. That's the truth we're living by as we build our mission. Testing is not just important, it's essential. But here's where it gets really interesting. Feedback loops. In our approach, we don't just test in isolation. We create a continuous cycle of feedback, constantly learning from what works, what doesn't, and adapting in real time. This isn't about hoping for the best and waiting for success to come. It's about actively shaping it. We apply this to every single aspect of what we're doing, and it's crucial that you do the same as a superhuman solo entrepreneur. Whether you're launching a product, service, or even a new method of engagement, you cannot afford to launch blindly. The feedback you receive, whether from customers, mentors, or even your own analysis, will serve as your guiding compass. Here's the key takeaway. You're not in this alone. Every time we take action, we're taking the same steps that you need to take. Whether it's testing our marketing strategies, gauging response, or experimenting with new content, we're doing it in real time, so you can watch and learn. This process will show you how to optimize your own approach and avoid the common pitfalls that lead others to failure. The feedback loop isn't just about improving a product. It's about shaping the path forward, constantly adapting and fine-tuning until you get it right. Each iteration brings you closer to success. And here's the final piece. Testing is part of the journey. Failure isn't a setback, it's a learning opportunity. Embrace it, learn from it, and use the feedback to adjust and move forward. This is how we're building our mission, and this is exactly how you can build yours. Let's go. Point number 2, content strategy for consistency. When building a solo business or a new venture, consistency is a key ingredient for success. Content is the lifeblood of entrepreneurship, and without regular high-quality output, you risk losing touch with your audience. This is something we're deeply committed to. By publishing daily logs, we're not just sharing updates, we're consistently providing value, insights, and perspectives that align with our mission. This approach isn't just about quantity. It's about quality, relevance, and connection. The power of a consistent content strategy lies in its ability to build trust and visibility. When you show up every day with something valuable to say, your audience will start to expect it. They'll begin to trust you more, and as they see your consistent presence, your credibility will grow. And that's exactly what we're doing with our daily logs. We're embedding our mission into every piece of content we put out, reinforcing the value we offer. For you, as a superhuman solo entrepreneur, creating content might seem daunting at first, but the key is to start small. Consistency doesn't require perfection. It requires perseverance. Whether it's through blogs, social posts, podcasts, or videos, find a format that works for you and commit to it. A blog post every week, a social media post daily. The goal isn't to overwhelm yourself, but to develop a routine that can scale with your business. Start slow, but stay consistent. Your audience is waiting for you to show up. Every day, provide something that educates, entertains, or engages. As you consistently create content that resonates, you will build not just trust, but a loyal community. That's the secret sauce to long-term success, being there for your audience every single day. Point number 3, community engagement. Community is the heart and soul of any entrepreneurial journey. Building and nurturing a loyal community takes time, effort, and genuine engagement. For us, this is about creating a two-way conversation with our audience. We don't just talk at people, we engage with them, listen to their feedback, and respond in ways that foster connection. That's why we encourage likes, shares, and comments, because engagement isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a feedback loop that drives meaningful interactions. As we continue to build our community, we also aim to create a space where people feel seen and heard. This is essential for growing a brand that's not just followed, but loved. Our goal is to build an environment where solo entrepreneurs feel empowered to contribute their thoughts, ideas, and even challenges, all while supporting each other's growth. And this doesn't just happen on its own. It takes intentional effort to create a culture of engagement. For solo entrepreneurs, community engagement is something you should prioritize early on. Start by creating conversations around your niche. Ask questions, share your challenges and successes, and most importantly, invite others to participate. Whether it's on social media, through email newsletters, or within a dedicated group or forum, engagement should be part of your everyday routine. When you ask your audience to share their opinions or experiences, it creates a sense of belonging and encourages loyalty. Building an engaged community also means responding. Don't just post and ghost. Reply to comments, engage in conversations, and show appreciation to your followers. This makes your community feel valued and heard. A thriving community will help you not only grow your brand, but also create an environment where people feel excited to contribute and share your message. Remember, the more you engage, the more your community will grow. Your audience becomes your advocates, and they'll help spread your message far and wide.
The blueprint for individual wealth creation has already been written, tested, and proven. What's different now? We're sharing it openly, at scale, like never before. No more excuses. This is the real deal. The best practices from the world's top solo entrepreneurs have been woven together, creating a path for you to follow and transform your wealth. The tools are in your hands. The knowledge is at your fingertips. This is your opportunity to break free from passive waiting into active, relentless pursuit of success. Take action now. That's a wrap for today's Daily Log. This is just the beginning, and we're building this in real time. Stay tuned, engaged, and let's create something that truly makes an impact. You are on this journey. Like, share, and subscribe. And remember, tomorrow we go again. See you in the next one. Now you're ready to go.